Hello, friends. Welcome to my first podcast. I'm Jason. In today's video, I will talk about some malls of place in the world case one day you decide to visit, and also compare it in with some place in Colombia. Uh, when you enter a house in Ireland, you take off your choice and left them at the entrance. At the floors are usually wooden or carpet. You don't get cold. In the pub, you can have a pint or a bite to eat at lunchtime, as most often serve lunch of sandwich, snack, and sometimes also more substantial desserts. India. Indians eat with their fingers, a custom that may be difficult for a Westerner to follow. They believe that the right hand does noble tax and the left hand does left graceful tax. Therefore, they 88 with the right hand, the left hand is used in the bathroom. Above physical display of affection, as they are not well accepted in public. Thailand. Do not put your fork on your mouth. Use it in only to put the food onto the spoon and put in your mouth. Here, this last piece of culture is the king of the table. In Thailand, shoes must be removed when entering a house and visit temples. Chinese. It is highly encouraged uh, treat all the dishes offered to use as soon as you finish leaving leftovers and a mess of the food, so is burping without asking for forgiveness, and the hosts will feel satisfied and know that the meal was a success. Guests are not allowed to eat or drink anything until the host takes the first. Be careful how you use it. You suspect do not reminiscence of incense, which in China is associated with death. Colombia. Colombians are usually very friendly, not only in the way they treat each other, but also physically. We should not be friendlier in they are very close to us when we chat with them is amazing. With people you hardly know about talking about topics such as politics, religion, or sex, which are always controversial. Give the importance given to personal relationships. In Colombia, it is not advanced to miss any type of act or social events to which we are invited of the most important custom of religions. Life in Colombia, the most important religions. Customs are celebrated during Holy Week, specifically from Thursday to Thursday, during 7 and 11 o'clock at night to recreate important moments about the death of the Christ. The culinary also enjoy. In Colombia, tamal ingredients vary in each region and are cooked inside a banana leaf wrapper in a half-round, rectangular, or square shape. It can be ate as breakfast, lunch, or dinner. One of the most practiced customs in the country. Paseo de olla. It's a trip may be a family or a group or friends to any place that is away from the city, especially if it's next to a river. And coffee is favorite drink of most uh, is if not all Colombians is doing what region you are from, or if it is hot or cool. You will always find restaurants or people uh, that sell you coffee or tinto, as we call it.